Hi everyone, this is Ajamboko Shabalinda representing a group from Mbara University of Science and Technology. We are a group that is working on an application called Vital Tester application. It tests for vitals, for four main vitals, that is temperature rate, blood pressure, respiratory rate and heart rate. We discovered that there are ongoing problems in the society we live in. We took Mbara Referral Hospital as our main study. This hospital is located in southwestern Uganda. We discovered that there are various diagnosis equipments, for example, thermometers, stethoscopes. These equipments are few, they are expensive, and they are owned by qualified personnel, hence excluding other kinds of people who would need to use these equipments for their self-diagnosis. We also discover that people incur many expenses, for example, transport costs in the follow-up process. And also through observation, we discover that people make long queues in the hospital, and in the process, many people lose their lives because of delayed medication, since no one can get medication before having their vitals tested. We also discover that because of the long queues, many people travel back home without medication. And with that, because of the ICT knowledge we have as a group, we decided to design and develop a mobile-based vital assessment application that will help people measure, capture, and store their vital information. This vital tester application works in a way that by use of mobile phone sensors, the mobile device captures the heart rate, captures the temperature rate, the respiratory rate, and blood pressure. It stores the results locally on the phone in an SQLite database. If the user is interested in sending the results to any concerned personnel, for example the doctor for follow-up process, they can do this by sending an SMS or an email. As you can all see on our first interface, we have a login page. That's where someone is required to enter their username and password. And on the second interface, we have where someone is required to enter their age, their sex, their height, their weight, and their position. With this, a user is required to put their finger on the camera lens, and with this, their heart rate, the blood pressure, temperature, and respiratory rate will be measured. This is all done through the sensors that are embedded inside the Android phone. After the results are being measured, as I said, if someone is interested in sending their results to the concerned personnel, for example the doctors, we have up here, you can send an email and you can send an SMS. And with that, upon the results being received the other side by either the doctor, one can get medication as prescribed by the particular result. That's all the application does. Thank you very much.